What did I do? Whoa! This is Ralph. We builded it. Pardon me.
You filming it?
No. Why, you scared?
I might rugby tackle Ralph.
You're being caught in the act. Don't rugby tackle him, I want to do it. Okay, go.
Actually.
Can I just say goodbye? I spent ages on this arm. Bye, Ralph. I love you. Especially your turban. Go for gold. I bet you wish you had one of these. I'm sorry, I need to show the people at home. Yeah. There's Simon!